Hi guys, this is Jody cooking. Welcome back to my channel. Today guys, I'm gonna make you guys some pineapple and some mango juice. I already put my pineapple and my mango in my blender, and I also have ginger in there also, and I'm gonna use lemon and lime. So first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pour some water in my blender. I'm not gonna pour all of it, just off. So I'm just gonna turn on my blender now guys. So my juice is all blend and this is how it look. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna strain it. So I'm just taking a spoon guys and just like stir it so the juice will go right through. So just like press it down so it'll be a bit easier for you. It takes a bit of patience, but it's worth it. I'm gonna strain it like 3 times guys, because I want it to be all smooth. I love making my own juice, so fun. This is my first time trying mango and pineapple. I never done it before, but I know it's gonna be so refreshing because I love mango and I love pineapple. So this is gonna be my second time straining it guys. So my juice is all finished now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna squeeze my lime in my strainer. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna sweeten my juice. I'm using granulated sugar, but you can use whatever sugar you have. So I'm just gonna taste my juice now. That is perfect. I'm not gonna add no more sugar to it guys. That is perfectly fine. Guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in a glass for you guys and show you guys how it looks in the glass. So this is how my juice looks in the glass guys, and I'm telling you, as always, it's looking so refreshing and so delicious. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please subscribe for many other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.